The Navycrest 4K Dual Dashcam offers ultra high-definition recording with its upgraded resolution of 4,000 pixels for the front and 1,080 pixels for the rear, ensuring clear footage of your driving experiences. Equipped with a cutting-edge Sony IMX sensor, this dashcam captures stunning video quality, allowing you to record road events with impressive clarity. With the inclusion of a 5 GHz Wi-Fi module, users can enjoy fast download speeds and easy access to the dashcam's live video feed through a user-friendly app. The dashcam supports a 24-hour parking mode, providing continuous protection for your vehicle with its optional hardwire kit. Thanks to its super night vision capability and compact design, the Navycrest Q7 performs exceptionally well in various lighting conditions without obstructing your view. Its loop recording and gravity sensor features ensure that important footage is automatically saved and protected, making it a reliable companion on the road.